Factory resetting your iPhone erases all personal data, settings, and apps, returning it to its original factory state. This is useful for troubleshooting, selling your device, or removing personal information. Before resetting, it's crucial to sign out of iCloud to prevent activation lock, which secures your device. To sign out, go to Settings, Your Name, Sign Out. Enter your Apple ID password to turn off Find My and remove iCloud data from the device. Backing up your data to iCloud or a computer before resetting is highly recommended to avoid data loss. To factory reset your iPhone running iOS 18 or later, start by opening the Settings app and navigating to General, then Transfer or Reset iPhone. Once there, tap the Erase All Content and Settings option at the bottom of the screen. You'll be prompted to enter your passcode and Apple ID password for iCloud Sign Out if you haven't already signed out. Confirm your action, and the device will begin erasing all content and settings. This process can take between 5 to 30 minutes, depending on your storage. Once complete, your iPhone will restart and display the Hello Setup screen, indicating the reset was successful. Remember, this action is permanent without a backup. Always update to the latest iOS version to prevent errors or glitches during the process.